Okay, so we're going to look at our composite function worksheet. First thing to put on top of your paper, kind of as a note, is if you have f, the little circle g, that is the same as f of g of x. Okay, this means we're going to take x, plug it into g, and then we're going to take that value, plug that into the x of f. So again, if we have f, 0, the little circle, g, is equal to f of g of x. We take the x value, plug it into the x of g, find what that value is, then take that value, plug that into the x of the f function. If we have g circle f, that means that we're going to find g of f of x. Same idea. Going to take the value for x, plug that into the x value of f, find that value, and plug that value into the x of g. So we always take the second value, plug it into the first. Second into the first. Okay, let's look at number 1. For number 1, we have f of g of -3. So we're going to take -3, plug it in for the x of g to start. So our g of x is equal to 3x, it's up on the top of the paper. So we are finding g of -3. So we're plugging -3 into the x. We have 3 times -3, which equals -9. Now we're going to take that value and plug that into the x of the f of x function. So our f of x is equal to 2x minus 1. So we're going to take the -9, plug that into the x. So we have 2 times -9 minus 1. That's -18 minus 1 equals -19, which is our answer. So again, we took this value, plugged it into the g of x, found the new value, and plugged that into the f of x. Okay, let's look at number 3. G, that little circle we talked about, H, 24. Okay, this is the same as G of H of 24. I'm going to start by plugging the 24 into the x value of H. So H of x is equal to x squared plus 1. So our H of 24, since we're taking the 24, plugging it in where the x is, we have 24 squared plus 1, which equals 577. Now we're going to take that value and plug it into the g. that g of x was 3x. So we're going to take the 577, plug it in for x. So 3 times 577, which equals 1731. So again, we took the 24, plugged it into the h, found that value, plugged it into the g. Number 5, we have h of g of f of 5. We're going to take the 5, plug it in for f. So f of 5 equal to 2 times 5 minus 1. 10 minus 1 is 9. We're going to plug that value in to the g. Now we're doing g of 9. That's going to be 3 times 9, which equals 27. Then we're going to plug that value in to the h. So h of 27 is equal to 27 squared plus 1, which equals 730. So again, we took the 5, plugged in for the f, found that new value. Plug that new value into the g, found that new value, plug that into the h. We work from right to left. Page 7, we have f of x plus 1. Okay, so our f of x was 2x minus 1. So now we're going to take x plus 1, plug that in for x. So f of x plus 1 is equal to 2 times x plus 1 minus 1. Then we simplify, distribute our 2, we get 2x plus 2 minus 1. Combined our like terms, so we get 2x plus 1. So we took the x plus 1 and replaced the x of f of x. Number 9, we have h of x minus 2. So h of x was x squared plus 1. So we're going to take the x minus 2, plug it into the x. So x of x minus 2 is equal to x minus 2 squared plus 1. This equals x minus 2 times x minus 2 plus 1. Double distribute, we have x squared minus 2x minus 2x plus 4 plus that 1 we have x squared minus 4x. Combine these like terms. Combine these like terms. Plus 5. Okay, 11. We have g circle f of x. So that means we're going to take g of f of x. So we're going to plug f of x into g. So we have replacing the x with f of x, and f of x is negative 3x plus 7 squared minus 8. 2 times negative 3x plus 7 times negative 3x plus 7 minus 8. We do our double distributing. We get 2 times 9x squared minus 42x plus 49 minus 8. Distribute the 2 to everything. We get 18x squared. Hi, I'm recording. 18x squared minus 84x plus 9. If f of x is equal to negative 9, x minus 9, and g of x is equal to the square root of x minus 9, find f circle g of 10. So we're finding f of g of 10. So we're going to take 10, plug it into g. So g of 10 is equal to the square root of 10 minus 9, which equals the square root of 1, which can be plus or minus 1. Then we're going to plug in the positive 1 into f. So f of 1 is equal to negative 9 times 1 minus 9, which equals negative 18.